this is Purple Paisley Planner. So I am trying to organize my planners and my traveler's notebooks, and those are my fingerlings. At the top I got a collection of fingerlings that holds my pens. But you see all this? This is my happy planner. I got some traveler's notebook with the Foxy Fix and everything like that. So I need to organize all this. Some of it I need to update, put some new inserts and everything and all that on there. See all those traveler's notebooks and personals and A5, A6, happy planner recollections, Erin Condren's. I got so many. So I need to update all this and get it going. So I'm going to do a live of me doing this. So if you see anything that I need to do, let me know. Like, is there some better organization than this? Because I got it all crazy. Look at this one right here. This one here is a nice one, but I don't have nothing in it yet. So I need to do that one. So that's what I'm working on. Yeah, so I got so many, and this isn't all of it. This is not all of it. Hold on. This is my other shelf that I have the rest of my planners in. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I got that sign because of you, Mom, I am strong. I got that from, I can't remember where I got that from. But I just love that sign, so I had to get it. And then I got the Mardi Gras mask right there that I got several years ago. But this is my collection of planners, A5, A6, traveler's notebooks, journals. I have more of those here. A lot of planners that I really like and I enjoy using. Then right below it, I got my Wonder Woman mug. I got some more pens. My Cricut is right there. Off to the right, you'll see my table is right there, my desk. So I've got my lights and everything. And that's where I work at and do all my crafting. So yeah, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I have on my table. This was not on the shelf. These are the pen pouches that I made. So I made these pen pouches, and here's my traveler's notebook. So here goes one of my planners. This is my budget planner that my sisters got me. I'm really loving this budget planner. It has a little pocket thing, so you can put your receipts, you can put your change, pens, stickers. Yeah, so they got me this. Isn't this nice? Yeah, this is my workstation here that I have everything on. Yeah, my workstation. You see this, all this stuff. Oh, so I got this, and it's got great. This is undated, and you can set it up how you do your budget, your goals. Yeah. See that? I'm trying to make this not so long, but it has like 3 or 4 pages of stickers. 4 pages. See that? It's got a pocket, so you can put anything there. Right there. Another pocket to put your stickers. Right here. And this is how it looks by the month. It's undated. And then this is how it looks in the weekly. And then it has an area for your notes. An area for your expense tracker. And then it goes on. See, so that's what I like about this one. And then in the back, it has note pages so you can put notes and everything. So yeah, so I'm really liking this. So that's my budget planner. Then I got my social media planner, which is this one here. This is my social media planner. So I love my social media planner. So this has everything, all my social media stuff and everything. And I'm going to show you that it's undated. That's how the monthly looks. This is how it looks by the weekly. Right there. And then the back of it has area for notes and thoughts. And then it has 4 pages of stickers back here too. See that? And then a pocket, sleeve, and then another pocket to put stickers and everything. and a little thing. I put a little rhinestone on there. I made this. This was one of the happy planners I made that Tarshell B helped me with. She helped me with that. My mermaid. This is my everyday planner that I do my everyday planning with. So this is my everyday planning, and I already, July, I already did July. Here's August. That's my plan with me in a view. And then here's my week right there. And the pages are really nice. I like the pages on here. This one's not undated. This isn't undated. But it got pages. It's got stickers. I just like this. So that's another planner of mine. And then you'll see this video because I did a video on that. So I just wanted to share all that I have, everyone. Nice. Oh, and I meant to show you this. Then I got my mini happy planner. So I got my mini happy planner too. And then the pockets I made, the pin pockets. Yeah. So I wanted to share that too. And this is another one. This one I usually carry with me every day. It's my personal. Isn't this pretty? It's rose gold. I got my tassels. And this is my personal. I got my card and everything in here and stuff. So that's another one of my planners. I meant to show you that one too. So yeah, that's another one of my personals. Okay, so here goes my Agenda 52. I wanted to show you a little bit of the inside, so let me show you that now. So this is the inside. It's fresh start and everything. And then I got my pocket over there. And then let me show you. This is pretty much my everything agenda in here. I really like it, and I'm going to show you how I had it set up. So this is some of what I set up in my Agenda 52 with the stickers and everything, keeping track of everything and all. And then I got here some more of my pins, the pin pouches I made, and then the little clips I made over there. So I love doing a lot of planners and journaling, and this is because of my sister got me all hooked on planners and everything. I love my little mermaid pen. But yeah, my baby sister got me hooked on planners and traveler's notebook. It all started with the Erin Condren planner. She got me hooked several years ago. So, and I've been hooked ever since. So yeah. So I got all of this. She believed she could, and she did. Here's that one. It's just a little bit of my setup that I did. Here's that one. So I just really like it. Here's some more of my folders and everything. There's my fingerlings. Some people collect Funkos. I think that's what they call them. But I have little fingerlings. I love my fingerlings. And then I'm all into my chalk couture. So I got my chalk couture stuff and everything right there. My light is real bright. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is a really nice planner. I really like this planner. Let me see. I keep track of everything on here and everything. So this is a nice planner. It's got so many pages you could set up here. It's got all my tabs and everything. It's got everything in here. I got my post-its. Oops, my post-its right there. It's just got everything. I set this up how I like it set up. It's got pockets. Here, keep it simple in rose gold. Yeah, I try to keep it simple and fun and everything. But yeah, that's what I was trying to say. You can set up your planners how you like it and everything, and put whatever pins you like. Like, I love pins and everything. I love pins, as you can tell. I like Villa Beautiful. Here goes one pin. Look at this one. Isn't that nice? So I think this is really pretty. here. So I really love this pen. You can write this pen and do all kind of nice things on here. But this is one of the pens I got from the Angel shop. Isn't that? And she got it of every different color. She's got one now that's lavender, kind of a lilac color. And it's a mermaid and it has actual pearls in it. So yeah, I wanted to show you that. Let me not show you my wires over here on my table. But yeah, see that? It's cute, isn't it? So yeah, I just wanted to share all that with you all. I hope you have a super blessed day. Stay positive and motivated. And I'll talk to everyone later. Bye-bye.